Hello everyone, welcome back to GlobeTech Learning Academy YouTube channel. From today's class, I will continue the annotation part tools. For initially, I am selecting the line command. I have to check the dimension of that line. For that, I am selecting the linear option and clicking the endpoints of the both in the line. Like this, we can find the linear dimension of that line. For vertical line also we can create, clicking the endpoints on both end. Like this, it will be represent the dimension of that line. Next, now I am activating the isometric. Now I am using the line command. Like this, here I am drawing the line, and now I am selecting the linear option. In isometric view, linear option is not useful. For that I am using the aligned option. Like this, selecting the end 2 points. Like this, aligned option is helpful in the isometric option. Now I am offing the unactivating isometric. Next one, now I am selecting the arc. I have to find the arc length. For that, we have the option of the arc length. Select the arc and see the arc length distance. Next one, I am using the angular distance. For that, I am selecting the angular option. Select first line and second line. Like this, you can represent the angle of tangent. Next option is radius and diameter. For that, I am selecting the center radius. Now I am giving the 25 as a center radius. This is too much of large. Now I am deleting that. Now I am giving as a 25 as center radius. For that, I have to confirm that the radius is correct or not. Select the red circle and click the center point. Like this, R represents the radius of circle, radius of 25. Next one is the center diameter. Now I am giving the 50 as a center diameter. Now I am selecting the diameter option. Select the circle and click the midpoint. Like this, dia of the 50. R represents the radius of a circle and dia represents the diameter of circle. Thank you for watching the GlobeTech Learning Academy YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share it.